Guys, I wanted to show you this back brace that I received from the company. I have sciatica. I've had 3 kids, and a brace like this just really helps on a day-to-day basis for me. I feel such a difference when I have it on comparative to when I take it off. It's really comfortable and super supportive. This is like kind of like a foam, but then it has in it a hard piece that just gives so much support where it's needed, and then it's completely adjustable however you need it. This is the size medium I purchased. I was in between the size small and the size medium. I went up one, which I was glad, and it definitely, like, you can adjust it. I easily could have fit into the small as well, I'm sure, but I like that I can like really adjust it to make it a little tighter, a little looser if I want. So because it does adjust so easily. It came with like a protection on the Velcro, which I thought was a nice touch, since sometimes you get these things and the Velcro doesn't work so great. So the Velcro works so well, really protected, and it just like gives the support on my back that I need. I wear it now most of the time throughout the day and just gets that extra back support that I have to have.